Hi everyone, Lisa here from LC Designs. I have my new sampler ready for you. Registration is now open. And with this sampler, we're using the birthday celebration bundle. Actually, I think we're just using the stamp set. So you will need this stamp set to complete your sampler as shown. There is the dies as well, where you can customize it if you'd like. And you could add this bundle to your class kit, and I'll pay the tax and shipping from Stampin' Up, and I will include it in your class kit. So this class will include all the elements. Now the elements are that I cut, or like these die cuts and these borders that are not included in the bundle. So again, you're not using the dies, so you don't necessarily have to cut anything with the dies. If there were some die cuts from the bundle, I would include the cardstock, and then you would cut those, stamp and cut yourself, because per Stampin' Up policy, I cannot send stamped images. So I just want to make that clear. So in this one though, you're mainly going to use all the die cuts that are included in the designer series paper. And here's the package. You'll get a half a pack of the designer series paper, and this one sheet has all those elements for you. You'll have extras left over to make cards, whatever you would like with them, but you will have that. You're getting the half a pack, which will include this one piece for your background. You're going to get a package of the party dots and a package of the gold trim, all for $50, including the PDF tutorial that'll show you how to put your blocks together, or to put each section together, and priority shipping of your kit. So I just want to show you on my cupcakes here. Let me see. I gotta get it in the camera. Can you see those little clear dots? And the one on the, so this one I use the fine tip glue pen on all three of them again. But this one I kind of smeared it around to make it look like the frosting was wet. And then the other two, I just put dots to make it look like there were clear sprinkles on them. So if you bought my kit last month, you got the fine tip glue pen, but if you have the fine tip glue pen, you can use that to do that. It's just optional. So we do use the gold embossing powder with Versamark. So if you don't have that, you can use any colors that are in the designer series paper, which I believe this is Bubble Bath. I always get Bubble Bath and Pretty in Pink. This is Pretty in Pink, Peach Pie, Old Olive, Pool Party, and Blueberry Bushel. I used Blueberry Bushel on the other two, but you can use whatever you want. I just like the gold because there's gold in a lot of the trim, and we use the gold trim. All right, and then if you don't want to purchase my whole class kit, you can purchase just the PDF tutorial for $15. But again, you will need the birthday celebration stamp set to complete your sampler as shown. So I took it out of the glass to show you because there's glare, but I want to show you the frame that I put these in. And it's super, super easy. I got my frame at Michael's, and they come in black or white. It's a 12 by 12 frame, and I think my thing's over here not out all the way, but let me just show you how pretty it is in the frame. So if you have any questions, please let me know. I will have the registration link below. Thank you. Bye.